Man, it got green quick, got hot quick. All changed, man. It was 40 degrees a couple of days ago. Now it's 80. Almost 85. Giant changes. Maybe the human race is going through those changes like the planet. Sure enjoy the sea breeze up here though in the afternoon after a hot day. It's always got a breeze. Comes in about 14 miles an hour. Looks right out the Atlantic Ocean. Today I can see straight across. Nothing in the way. No ships, no nothing. Just blue sky and ocean. And green trees all around me. Everywhere the green, green, green. Man, it happened so big and so quick. It was a green explosion. Green explosion, and I'm in the middle of it.